A huge style right now is the cute perm style where they perm the top, kind of do like a Euro top with perm, but sometimes it's intimidating to grow out. So I'm gonna show you a few easy tips and tricks how to transition from a permed top style to like a brush over top or even like a swoop top. So you can see right here, the short part goes right up to this long part. So we're going to get this out of the way with our left hand, and I'm going to take a number one and I'm going to go all the way up and follow that line. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transition this style into a swoop top. So I'm going to take the shortest part all the way up to the part on the side that he's going to comb it over. You can see how I'm making that part really nice and precise. As a rule of thumb, I start behind the ear, and this is where I start blending it down. You can see how I'm going to put a number 2 guard on my clipper, and this is the part that the hair is going to come to. So I'm going to start transitioning this a little bit longer. So I'm going to take a 1 to a 2, then I'm going to clean up the neck, and that's going to be the first step in transitioning to a different style.